Take a ride in the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, leather seats, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.